Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Lovable with Claude. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to log into Claude, then you're going to select Customize from the left hand side, then you're going to choose Connectors. Then you're going to click the plus symbol and you're going to select Browse Connectors. Here you're going to use the search bar to find Lovable. You're going to select Lovable, and all you have to do really is to click on Connect on the top right hand side, log into Lovable, and that's how you can link Claude and Lovable. Now, before you get started, pay attention to all the functions under Tools. These are the functions that Claude can perform together with Lovable. But once you connect Lovable with Claude, obviously you can ask Claude how else it can help you to work with Lovable. So that's it. One more time, you go to Customize on the left hand side, you click on Connectors, add a new connector, Browse Connectors, select Lovable, log in, and that's exactly how you can link Claude with Lovable. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.